What's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we got the full case lineup of UAG cases for the brand new iPhone 11. Let's check them out. So the company UAG is known for making some of the most protective cases for your cell phones. Once you go check them out, I'm going to drop a link below so you can do that and check these cases out yourself. But for right now, let's jump right into them. Now, over here, I got the Plio. Plio is going to come in these two separate colors. You get this black ash color and you get this frost color over here. And then next, we're going to look at the Plasma. Plasma comes in about 4 colors, I think. There's also a red and a black. And then you get these two variants right here, which will be the ice and the blue. I'm sorry, it comes in red, ash, ice, and blue. So we got those two right here on deck. Then we got the Mighty Monarch back here hanging out. Comes in 3 separate colors. And then we got the Pathfinder that comes in a black, a white, this gray color, and it comes in a green as well. So we're going to try each one of them on. I'm going to show you how they look. I'm going to tell you how they feel. And then we're going to actually talk about, are they wireless charging ready? So let's jump right into it. Okay, so I got my wireless charger ready. I got my iPhone 11 right here. Now let's jump into the first case. This is the Plasma. So simplistic packaging. Just pop it open. Pull that out. No plastic, anything to take off. And I'm just going to try one of these on. Pop that in. Rubber edges. Now, I like that. Nice hard rubber edges right here. Toggles. Oh, nice and clicky. Nice. Power on and off. Works really well. Camera. Is it protected? Yes. Disappears behind there. We got a nice lip on here. Yep. Gonna protect that screen. You drop it, nothing happens to it. Is it wireless charge ready? Let's make sure we got good volume so we can hear this. There we go. Wireless charge is a go, even though you have this nice, rugged, and thick case protecting your device. So as far as the blue, I'm just going to slap it on, show you what it looks like. We already know that it will protect, so same kind of case, same variant. Just going to slap this on, just to let you guys see, just in case you got a white phone, you want to see what it's going to look like behind that white, and there you go. Same specs, same everything. You get the same raised lip, you get the same buttons. Everything is a go. Speakers and everything match up down bottom, and you get the same ability to charge. It just vibrated that time. Oh, we got that off. That's why. Let's make sure we go that. There we go. Same ability to charge. Nothing new here. Next up, we're going to be reaching for the Plio. Now, we got 2 colors right here in the Plio. Same thing. Pop this out. Comes with a piece of paper in there. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this one out too, just to show you guys what they both look like. Put that to the side. All right. Nice hard TPU, thick rubber edges, and it's a tank. It's a beast. There we go. Nice rubberized on the top. You drop that down, nothing happens. You can see that phone color through the back. Camera disappears. Can't see the camera. Buttons, once again, nice and tactile on both sides. Everything down bottom matches up. Hard rubberized edges. What more can you ask for? We got it all with the Plio. Taking that case out. Putting the ash or the...
I couldn't quite hear you. Could you please repeat what you said?
I didn't say anything. There we go. Same protection. You can still see that color through the back. Kind of blends in with the case. Camera disappears. No issues when you drop it. Wireless charging is on deck, and every time I'm putting these cases on, I'm silencing it. There we go. Wireless charging is on deck. It is a go. Just sitting them back to the side, taking them. All right, here we go. Pathfinder.
Sorry, I couldn't quite hear you.
Okay, Siri.
Could you...
Calm down.
How can I help?
All of them going crazy. Okay, you too. iPad Siri, be quiet. Okay, my series are going crazy. All right, so Pathfinder. There we go. Go ahead and test this out. Wireless charging is on deck. Let's look at our specs on here. Nice raised edge. So UAG has done a wonderful job with getting these raised edges out there. Buttons are nice and tactile as well. This is a nice case. You're good to go. Everything down bottom matches up. Sides match up. What more can you ask for? Great case. Camera disappears. You're going to be well protected with the UAG Pathfinder. While we got this here, I'm taking screenshots and everything. Okay, there we go. Put the next one on. And that's dope right there. Nice fit. These things fit like a glove. And once again, there we go. It's charging. Take my word for it. You didn't hear it, but it is charging. I'm going to let that disappear. There we go. Okay. Wireless charge is on deck. Same race. Got everything. It's a nice case. Go check them out. I'm going to link them below so you can do that. Last one we got to go through is the Monarch. The big boy in the lineup. The most protective. The biggest, baddest bezel. Just wait. I'm going to put it on. You'll see. You'll see. All right. Here we go. I got all these boxes here. Okay. Nice hard TPU. I'm gonna go ahead and get this. All right, there we go. Now let's move all this out the way because I want you to see all this, pushing all this to the side. I don't want it to fall off the table, but I want you to see everything that the Monarch has to offer. That raised bezel runs all the way around. Now, on the other cases, it only basically hinges up on bottom and top, and the middle drops in. Monarch bezel runs all the way around. Buttons, nice and clicky. You can hear them. You can hear them as you press them. No issues. Down here, ultra protection right there at your fingertips. On the back, you get nice leather interior and a hard backing. And then on top of all of that, you don't have to worry about your phone ever being busted up, scratched, broken, anything happening. You got a nice bezel, hard rubberized edges, best case in the lineup. This is the Monarch. This is the big boy. This is the one you're going to pay about $60 for, but I would rather pay $60 for this than to pay $150 to get my screen replaced. This is the Monarch from UAG, 3 separate colors, the film, and then there's this red, this crimson, and then you get your UAG logo right down here in the bottom. As usual, thickest case, wireless charging on deck. What more can you ask for? So guys, this is every case that I have right now from company UAG. You got the Pathfinders, you got the Plio, you got the Plasma, and you got the Monarch, which is the most protective in the bunch, in the group. One of the best, hands down, that you can get for your iPhone 11. I'll drop links below so you can check these out for yourself. Hopefully this is able to help someone out. Let me know which one you like the best. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.